So yesterday was the first day I was able to do the player prop parlay group again on FanDuel. We did around $50,000 total worth of player prop parlays. In this group, it's not intended on winning every single play, and I don't expect you to bet 50K either. Set your own parameters and follow them. But we turned that 50K into over $272,000, as you can see right here. We hit this one. We hit this one. We hit this one. We hit this one. And there's one more we hit. Josh Downs. And we hit this one. I'm the best in the industry for a reason. This white boy's chicken got seasoned. All you got to do is follow me and watch the Instagram live. That's it.
He's trying to avoid a 1-4 start. Off the fake, sets, throws, Stroud, deep shot. Christian Kirk has got it. Brought down inside the 5.
Fucking go. And this is why I love Bryce Young. First and goal from the 5-yard line. You don't run an obvious run play. You don't run right up the middle. Play action pass. You get it in the end zone. Boom. My play of the day teaser, both of those cash regular spread. Dallas game went over. This game went over. Also gave out this game over 49.5 at half in play through $18,000 on it on FanDuel. Let's fucking go. What an end to both games. I could have swore we were going to lose, man. I was sitting over here salty as fuck. But the NFL is a lot different than college football. These are professionals. Those are amateur children that can't think, can't play. I love the NFL. Let's go. I love Bryce Young as well, man. Fuck. Let's get money. 18 bandos. Play of the day, 26,000. 2,500 and 51,000 player prop parlay.
You guys know I always alt up on these player prop parlays, but every week I usually alternate down like 5 or 6 wide receivers to like 50 yards, 40 yards. And all we need is like one catch from Jamar Chase right now to cash the biggest player prop parlay I put in today as far as my bet amount. I think it's plus 550. I threw $10,000 on it. All I need is Jamar Chase over 50 yards. He has like 40 something right now. I'm sweating this game. I got action everywhere today. This could be our second player prop parlay hit of the day. 3rd and 14. Just give it to Jamar Chase. Give it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Let's fucking go. Second player prop parlay cashes today over $50,000. I really do this shit. Consistency is key with me. Nobody wins every single game. You're here to win majority. Look up ROI in the dictionary. You'll see a picture of me. Get money.